everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining me on another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. Love 'em all. And the very special guest this week we have is Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas and the Queen of the Airbrush. So I'm super excited to have Moose this week because I just love her work and her lives every Saturday. They're fantastic. So this week I'm actually putting out an inspiration by Shelley Carruthers and August Art. He is just amazing and so supportive to so many artists. So I'm going to do my second attempt at a pleat on a flutterby. So we're going to put some tunes on, kick back, have some fun, and hopefully this will be pretty cool at the end.
Tend to give him way too much credit. Guess I'm a little too empathetic. Don't need to waste my time trying to prove I'm enough for you. I just happen to make it a habit. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Your empty words left me distracted. Guess all this time you were just acting. Rehearsed your lines before you left intentions at the door. Go ahead, accuse me of overreacting. I was just fine before I met ya. Don't think that I was counting seconds. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. Hopping around, hit the excuses. Read all the lines, yeah, I see through it. Better be worth my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby, I'm fine. Baby, I'm fine. I'll be alright, with or without you. Don't waste my time feeding me lies I know you're about to. I don't need to wait no more. I don't even miss you. I'm already out the door. No, it's not an issue. Trust me, baby, I'm fine. I'm VIP. Gonna take a lot to get to me. I'm fine. RSVP. Don't interrupt my energy. Doing alright, living a daydream. No, I don't need you to wait me. Better not waste my time. Better be committed, cause baby I'm fine. You know I'm fine. Living a daydream. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. It feels good to be me. Ain't no worries, I don't gotta hurry. Kiss those cares goodbye. Hello, freedom, live what I'm dreaming. On a time to be alive. Get ready for it. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Get free, free, do what you do, run and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, run and be what you please. Get free, free, do what you do, run and be what you please. Get free, free, move how you move, run and be what you please. I see the clouds breaking over my head, ground shaking under my feet. I got the sun shining on every step, dancing down every street. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Whoa. Yeah, it feels good to be me. Yeah. Oh, it feels good to be me.
You breathe just a little bit harder. Heart beats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. 'Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You wish you could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience. was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. Can't hide your guilty conscience.
There's a fire inside and I just can't hide it. There's a fire inside and I just can't fight it. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you. There's a feeling inside, let it take it over. The past is in the past, wipe it off my shoulder. Ooh. You know I'm coming for you.
We're pleating. I'm so excited. I'm loving how these are working. The big boulders are right there. That's pretty cool. I'm really digging that. But I'm slowly falling in love with the pleats here. They're a bit of fun. So I hope you enjoyed that this week, because I've got a pleated flutterfly. That's pretty cool, right? And we'll just do a close-up reel so you can check out all those different shines and colours and effects. I love it. It's like a water ripple running up the wings. Pretty cool, right? And that will be it for me this week, before I keep going and happy dance on camera. Whoop whoop. So, next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo, my amazing big sister and my beautiful big brother, Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So, alright, so that is it for me this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed, had some fun. I probably had a little bit too much, but you know, that's what art's all about. So, until next time, take care, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day and thank you for watching. Go get messy.